All right, Rammer Jammer doing box 4. Topps UEFA Champions League Chrome. No silvers, really. But did you get a lot of color, though? All right, good luck, Craig. Oh, here comes a base refractor. See, now we're getting them. And we got Felix, base refractor. And we have not numbered. That is that guy. I think I skipped him last time too. That guy. Is Ronaldo base decent out of here? Alexander Arnold, Future Stars. Messi base. And who's this? Refractor of Carr out of 30. Rookie refractor. And we got insert. Jude insert. Let me know if that's available, Craig. And we got a purple is Marcos Llorente. I don't know, my eyes are getting bad. This font's just like super tiny. And silver is Sergio Dest. Our prism, our refractor. Got a Halam base. And we got Werner insert. You want the last 4? Okay, give me a second. Mbappe silver. I might be interested in that. It's probably tired of me butchering these names. And green autograph. We got Juan Bernat at a 99. Green auto. Pedri. And we got Garcia. Do you have PayPal, Michael? Sterling, Tete, and we got Pulisic. So that was him. Yeah, it was him. I was right. Interested in that one. Musiala, and we got base refractor rookie. I just send to that address as a gift, friends and family if you can. We should be good. Williams and we got Renier, Jesus at a 175 rookie. Pink, I guess. Is that pink? And purple is Cristiano Ronaldo at a 250. Does like Ronaldo, Messi color still do decent, like even high number ones? Let's see, and we got Taylor's base refractor rookie. All right, another Jude. And we got a blue. That is Romario Barro. Blue bubble. Superfractor bubbles. Why you talk like that, man? Come on. They bring a few bucks? All right. Ooh, another Jude. All right, that was that box. I think that was the second one of these in that box. All right, that is it. Thanks again, Craig.